Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin. Welcome to Munna News WordPress hacks and tricks. In this short tutorial today, I will be showing you how to open WordPress menu links in new tabs. As you know that by default, the menu links you create in the WordPress always open in the same tab or in the same window. If you want to make them open in new tab, you need to do certain settings. Let's go to one of my WordPress websites and demonstrate how to do this in less than 2 minutes. This is one of my websites made in WordPress. Here you can see I have the menu page already opened. You can open this page from your WordPress dashboard by selecting Appearance and Themes, Customize, and this is the menu link. You need to click on this menu link to open this page. But for me this page is already open, so I am doing work here. Suppose this is one of my page, contact me. This is a menu link and I want to open this in the new window. The setting is very straightforward and very easy. Scroll the page to the top and check the screen options. You will see the screen options here. Just click on this and there will be a drop down menu. Here you will see link target. The checkbox here is by default unchecked. Just check it. Select it. Close it. And see what we have here. There is a link. There is a space. Open link in a new tab. Just click on this. And now scroll down and click on the Save Menu button. Your new settings have been saved. This is the message. Second header menu has updated. Let's see what happens on our website on the front end. Here is the website opened. Now this is the link that we have just edited. Click on this link. Oh yes, it is moving into the new tab. So this is very simple setting and I hope that you have learned it. And if you have any other questions regarding this or any other WordPress difficulty or error, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you very much.